Hey guys, welcome back to Made by Nala. Today I'll be showing you how I'm using these drawer pins. Is it drawing pins? The things that you use on that cork board just to make these shoes bougie, guys. And it's literally the most simplest DIY I've ever done. So I just literally bought these pins off of Amazon. I'm going to link it down below. I think it was under £2. And I literally poked it through this foam. If you want to get like a foam flip-flop, you can find them in Poundland or like Primark, you know those flip-flops that you can get for just under £2 also. I'll also link these flip-flops down below because I got them from Amazon. A little bit more pricey, but they were just perfect for this DIY. So as you guys can see, I'm literally being careful and I'm putting the studs, let's just say, inside of the foam flip-flops, literally just pushing it in. It's not difficult. So the drawing pins, just literally poke it through. I left like a little gap. I don't know what the measurements are, but you can see that it's literally less than a finger's width apart, and look how gorgeous that looks. Once I had done that, I used some star studs because you guys know my name means a star, and I really wanted to give this DIY like that extra je ne sais quoi, because look how stunning that looks. I was like so happy with it, as you can see, but I wanted to give it that 5-star effect. So I just used the star studs, and this DIY, guys, I saw it on TikTok on another girl's page, but I just wanted to make it my own. So literally on the tips, as you can see, I'm using these studs. These are actually proper studs, and I'm just pushing them literally in and creating like this border, and I wanted it to be like 5 stars. I don't know why, like a hotel almost. So I just literally poked it through and I was just obsessed. This is such a good DIY when you've got like children or you've got so many flip-flops from the previous years and you don't know what to do with them. It's just so nice and easy and therapeutic, guys. So this is how it looked. Like, how stunning does that look? And if you want, you can literally go around. I know one girl did the full shoe with the stars, but I just didn't want that. I wanted it to be very cute, chic. I'm thinking there's a shoe high heel brand that does like this similar aesthetic, so I wanted it to be very bougie. So I'm gonna time lapse it, guys, then show you how it looks at the end. And I also went on and added bandanas on my, you see where the straps are, because I just wanted it to look a lot different from what everyone else is doing. And I really like this, and my mum liked them too. And let me know if you like it with the bandana or without the bandana. Thank you once again for tuning in to this video, and I will see you next time in my next DIY. Mwah! Love you lots.